Victory tastes the sweetest when it is earned with sweat and perseverance. The primary and sub-junior category is special because they may be small in age, but their courage and performance are mighty. Today, as we honor the winners of the primary and sub-junior boys and girls, we are not just giving away the prizes. We are encouraging dreams, nurturing confidence, and building future champions. To every winner who steps onto the stage, remember the medals you hold is not just for your victory today, but for the countless hours of preparation that went into it. Dear parents and friends, let us celebrate the achievements of our primary and sub-junior students with a hearty applause. Now, I call upon our teacher, Mrs. Jansi, to come and announce the prize winners.
On the day of our 39th annual sports meet 2025-26, we are indeed delighted to acknowledge and appreciate the sports stars of our school. Every champion was once a beginner. Let us begin with the little champions of our school. May I now invite our chief guest, respected Madam Mrs. Jayaraja Palan, Deputy Collector, Tamil Nadu E-Governors, Chennai, to honor the winners. 50 meters running race, LKG boys. First place goes to Kalis D of LKG A. Second place goes to Hariyamendran F of LKG C. Third place goes to Mohammed Sharik S.A. of LKG C. AKG Girls, first place goes to Shiny Nicolin A of LKG C. Second place goes to Hamdulillah Musaiba of LKG B. Third place goes to Leslie Nelina J of LKG C. UKG first place goes to Samresh J, UKG C, New Hampton. Second place goes to Rudran S of UKG C. Third place goes to Samshadi of UKG B. UKG Girls, first place goes to Catherine Divyana E of UKG A. Second place goes to Yuvadharani V of UKG B. Third place goes to Sana S of UKG C. Standard A. Second Standard Boys, first place goes to Parivala Les of Second Standard D. Second place goes to Bolivia Les of Second C. Third place goes to Sabarikotan C of Second D. Second Standard Girls, first place goes to Shamir Fatima A of Second A. Second place goes to Shivani S of Second D. Third place goes to Danshika P.A. of Second C. Third Standard Boys, first place goes to Sanjeev Wadi of Third B. Second place goes to Srishan R of Third B. Third place goes to Ishan H of Third C. Third Standard Girls, first place goes to Danshika R of Third D. Second place goes to Dakshita G of Third C. Third place goes to Dhanushri MD of Third D. Fourth Standard Boys, first place goes to Divineshwaran J of Fourth A. Second place goes to Madan K of Fourth C. Third place goes to Mohammad Ryan S of Fourth C. Fourth Standard Girls, first place goes to Sara Roji of Fourth C. Second place goes to Harshavardhini K of Fourth B. Third place goes to Diyasan J of Fourth B. She is absent. Next, pre-KG fancy event running race for boys. First place goes to Visha KL. Second place goes to Irayan Masilino H. Third place goes to Agavan Kumar AL. Pre-KG girls. First place goes to Privika Sai PV. Second place goes to Reviving Nat T. Third place goes to Lancy Bhumi R. LKG frog race. First place goes to Mohammad Ashik A of LKG A. Second place goes to Ronaldo C of LKG C. Third place goes to Mohammad Sultan A of LKG A. He is absent. Girls, first place goes to Shiny Nicolin A of LKG C. Second place goes to Trishika C of LKG A. Third place goes to Hamdunina Nusaiba of LKG B. Thank you, ma'am. May I now invite Reverend Father John Francis S., correspondent of St. Mary's Matriculation High Secondary School, Kuduvancheri, to honor the prize winners. UKG Hoops Race. First place goes to Ritesh B of UKG B. Second place goes to Hardwick C of UKG B. Third place goes to Prajit D R of UKG C. UKG Girls. First place goes to Samiha of UKG B. Second place goes to Sana Fatima S of UKG C. Third place goes to Dansila Fatima T of UKG B. First standard going to the market. First place goes to Ardvik A of First A. Second place goes to Yuvin Srinivas P of First Standard B. Third place goes to Calvin Emmanuel P of First B. First Standard Girls. First place goes to Monica P of First C. Second place goes to Kaushika Devi M of First B. Third place goes to Sastika I of First A. Second standard, gathering tumbles. First place goes to Syed Makil Ahmed M of 2nd A. Second place goes to Manav Prasad S of 2nd A. Third place goes to Mitran M of 2nd C. Second standard girls. First place goes to Shabreen Fatima A of 2nd A. Second place goes to Shivani S of 2nd D. Third place goes to Pranita MM of 2nd B. Third standard mini hurdles. First place goes to Sri Shantar of 3rd D. Second place goes to Sanjeev Y of 3rd D. Third place goes to Mohammad Ishan H of 3rd C. Third standard girls. First place goes to Dakshita G of 3rd C. Second place goes to Kirtika E of 3rd B. Third place goes to Shama Begum S of 3rd A. Fourth standard lemon and spoon. First place goes to Catherine K of 4th A. Second place goes to Sabari K of 4th B. Third place goes to Kamalesh T of 4th B. Fourth standard girls. First place goes to Diyasan J of 4th B. She is absent. Second place goes to Atifa SH of 4th C. Third place goes to Mokita L of 4th D. Fifth standard cracking the balloons. First place goes to Lakshan M of 5th D. Second place goes to Ivanesh C of 5th D. Third place goes to Tarun SS of 5th A. Fifth standard girls. First place goes to Sherlyn S of 5th A. Second place goes to Yakshita K of 5th A. Third place goes to Sabrina Madeline B of 5th D. Sub-junior boys 100 meters. First place goes to Danush R of 6A from Red House. Second place goes to Sai Sharan S of 6B from Blue House. Third place goes to Hafish A of 6A from Red House. 100 meters. First place goes to Sai Sharan Yes of 6'3" from Blue House. Second place goes to Havish A 60A from Red House. Third place goes to Dhanush R of 60A from Red House. Long jump. First place goes to Hafish A of 60A from Red House. Second place goes to Abdul Niyaz K of 60 from Red House. Third place goes to Harinesh of 60A from Blue House. Shotput. First place goes to Balaji G of 6C from Red House. Second place goes to Karthikeyan D of 6B from Violet House. Third place goes to Pugalini NB of 6C from Blue House. 4 into 100 meter relay. Red House wins the first place. Dhanush R of 6A, Abdul Niyaz K of 6D, Monish P of 6D, Hafish A of 6A. House wins the second place. Sai Sharan Yes of 6D, Harinesh Yes of 6A, Pratish M of 6B, Mohammad Furgan U of 6E. Violet House wins the third place. Sounder M of 6A, Abhinandan Mishra D of 5th B, Joshua P of 6A, Hanan Mohammad Abdul Qadir of 6th B. Sub-junior girls 100 meters. First place goes to Saijani KK of 6A from Greenhouse. Second place goes to Shermi Yes of 6A from Violet House. Third place goes to Madhusree JP of 6A from Red House. (200 meters). First place goes to Hashika D of 6B from Blue House. Second place goes to Sai Jayani KK of 6A from Greenhouse. Third place goes to Joshika Adeline A of 6A from Blue House. Long jump. First place goes to Dikshita D of 6A from Violet House. Second place goes to Joshika Adeline A of 6A from Blue House. Third place goes to Hemavashika SK of 6B from Violet House. Shotput. First place goes to Sai Jayani KK of 6A from Greenhouse. Second place goes to Divyata P of 6D from Violet House. Third place goes to Dikshita D of 6A from Violet House.
I request the gathering to raise a big round of applause to welcome our Honorable MLA, Mr. Karunanidhi, to decorate the stage. Shall we all raise our hands and encourage him and welcome him to this annual sports meet? Now I request our father, correspondent, to honor our
Good afternoon. Good noon to dear parents and the students and teachers. We are honored today. We have the Pallavaram Minister, MLA, Mr. Karunanidhi with us. We are so happy to welcome him on this 39th annual Sports Day. So on behalf of the management of the school, very especially on behalf of the VG, our Father SRQs, and our Superintendent of School, Father Chris Raj, we like to honor our Minister, Mr. Karunanidhi, and the Chancellor, Chairman also we like to honor him. So let us give them a big round of applause for our Minister.
Let's join our hands and wish our MLA, Mr. Karunanidhi, for decorating the stage with his presence. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us for this 39th annual sports meet.
We will also honor the Chairman, Joseph Annadurai. Let us give them a big round of applause.
May I now invite our sister, Principal of Theresa School, to honor the prize winners. 4 into 100 meter relay. Greenhouse wins the first place. Pooja Sri L of 6E. Timisha Karthik K of 6E. Filsa Fatima VF of 6B. Sai Jayani KK of 6A. White House wins the second place. Hema Vashika SK of 6B. Dikshita D of 6A. Hannah Nishi A of 6B. Sharmi S of 6A. Blue House wins the third place. Harshika D of 6B. Joshika Adeline A of 6A. Danyasri R of 5th C. Leonita Princy A of 6B. of 6B, Joshika Adlin A of 6A, Danyashree R of 5th C, Leonita Princey A of 6B. Thank you, sister. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Thank you.